sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. This is your homeboy Captain Manny. You guys already know. Before we start this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe so you can get notifications every time I upload a video, guys. Alright, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, welding hood right here. I love it, the mother. This is cheap hood. It's like 50 bucks. It comes with flip. Alright, you flip this one up and you can see what you did. You can see the damage. Alright, but also if you see the damage, you need to grind it out. There you go, HD vision. Alright, but this one's I think it's pretty good if you're starting out. You don't know which hood should you get. This one you can go wrong with it, guys. Alright, so this is, you can go wrong with it. You're starting out, there you go. Alright, guys, this one right here, this one is a Miller Digital Pro Hobby. They still make this ones, different designs. Back in the day when I started welding school, it cost me like close to 300 bucks. You can change the shade from 9 to 13 right here. You can put it in grinding mode too. On this one, guys, grinding mode is pretty much like this one, okay? But on this one, when you put it in grinding mode, the screen is gonna be green, so it's not HD vision like that one. So still can grind. And one thing that will do though, when you put in grinding mode, you have to put it back in welding mode, otherwise you get flash. It happened to me a lot of times. So these ones, I'll probably recommend it if you already know what you're doing, and especially if you're doing TIG. This is the way to go because they're fancy. Alright, it's fancy hoods, 300 bucks, ain't cheap. Alright, and then this one is the most recent acquisition that I have. This one, Pancake, big leagues, guys, big boy stuff. All right. Even in my job that I'm working right now, I took this one up, and they're like, "Damn, do you make that yourself? What is that?" I'm like, "No, you can buy it like this, okay?" It's because they're not in the big leagues like me. Well, I'm not there yet, but you dress to what you want to get. So I use this one because I want to be a real welder one day, get a real welding job, you know, make that money. But this one, guys, I love it. It's perfect, 100% when you're welding outside. You get no reflections because, you know, it's like goggles, so even if the sun is hitting you in the back, it doesn't affect the view when you're welding. All right, so stick welding downhill outside, this is what I use, okay? If I'm in a shop doing TIG or MIG, fancy stuff, there you go. If you're starting out, you don't know what to get, this one right here, 50 bucks, can't go wrong with it. If you have one of these hoods, tell me what you like, what you don't like on the comment section below. All right, or if you think about getting one of these, let me know, okay? Other than that, guys, that's it for today's quick video, guys. I hope you guys are welding a lot. I hope you guys are safe out there. God bless, and I'll see you next time. Ciao.